Yes. Rule number 6 states that when one thing is compared with every other of the same kind, take care to use any other after an adjective in the positive or comparative degree. Here, in Rule 6 states that if we are comparing one thing or one person to another person belonging to the same kind, okay, belonging to the same class, we have to use any other after an adjective in positive as well as comparative degree. Okay, so let's see the example. Nisha is as intelligent as any other girl in the class. Mr. Pandit Nehru was more popular than any other leader of his time. So, Nisha is as intelligent as any other girl in the class. Nisha is compared to another girl belonging to the same class. So, here what we have done, we have used in the first sentence positive degree and followed by the rule of rule 5, we use as before a positive degree as well as after the positive degree. Nisha is as intelligent as any other any other girl in the class. Here two girls are compared belonging to the same class, belonging to the same type. Similarly, Pandit Nehru is compared with any other leader of his time. So Pandit Nehru was more popular. Was more popular is the comparative degree here. So more popular than any other leader of his time. So I hope rule number 6 is clear to you. But this in other word is not used with superlative degree. Okay, see the example. He was the best of all other leaders. This sentence is considered as incorrect. It will be written as he was the best of all leaders. In superlative degree, there is no need to use other because any other is used for positive and comparative degree. For superlative degree, we are not going to use. So with superlative degree, we are not going to use other. Coming to the seventh rule, when one thing is to be compared with all other things of the same class. Here, one thing is compared with all other things, not a single thing, all other things of the same class, then we are going to use superlative degree. Okay, here one thing is compared with all other things, multiple things. So, when comparison of more than two things is there, which degree we use? Superlative degree. So, here also we are going to use superlative degree. This plan is the best of all. She is the most intelligent girl in the class. Here she is compared with the whole class. So here we are going to use superlative degree. But there is an exception. In superlative degree we use the, but there is some exception where we are not going to use the. Where? Let's see the examples. See, first we are not going to use the with the possessive adjective. When the superlative degree has a possessive adjective, we are not going to use the. Now, what is this possessive adjective? Like this, he was my best friend. Here, my is the possessive adjective. Okay, so in place of my, we are not going to use the he was the best, he was my the best friend. No, he was my best friend. In this superlative degree, we are not going to use the when there is possessive adjective. It was his driest act. His is also a possessive adjective. Here also we are not going to use the. Second condition is when the superlative degree is used with the noun for the sake of address, there also we are not going to use the. O kindest soul, how I pine without you. O dearest son, when will you come back again? So soul and son is noun here. So we are not going to use the with the superlative degree. Clear? Next, coming to the eighth rule. Superlative degree must not be used as if it were equal to very plus positive degree. He wrote a best book. This sentence is incorrect. he is a single person. So here we are going to use positive degree. When we are describing somebody's work or somebody's personality, we are going to use positive degree. Clear? Here no comparison is there. So here we are going to write, he wrote a very good book. Positive degree is used here. Clear? Now coming to the ninth rule, if first of two or more adjective is superlative, the other should also be superlative. Suppose in a sentence we use two adjectives to describe somebody, and first we have used superlative degree, the other should also be superlative degree. See the incorrect sentence first. He is one of the best and popular teachers of our school. So here first adjective is best, which is in superlative degree, and popular is the positive degree. So if first adjective is in superlative degree, the other should also be in the superlative degree. So the correct form is, he is one of the best and most popular teachers of our school. This sentence is correct. Second one. So I hope ninth rule is clear to you. If first adjective is in superlative degree, the other should also be in superlative degree. Coming to the 10th rule.